Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete photos and videos on your iPhone so they don't just sit in your storage for 30 days. Now, a lot of people don't realize this, but when you delete a photo on your iPhone, it's actually not gone right away. It gets moved to a folder called Recently Deleted, where it stays for up to 30 days. So if you're trying to free up space or make sure something is completely removed, you need to take one extra step. Let me show you exactly how to do it. First, go ahead and open the Photos app on your iPhone. From here, just pick any photo or video that you want to delete. Tap on it, then hit the trash icon and confirm delete. Alright, so now that photo is deleted, but not permanently. Next, go to the bottom and tap on Collections. If you don't see it, just tap on the icon with two photos to switch views. Now scroll down until you find the Utilities section. Inside Utilities, you'll see an option called Recently Deleted. Go ahead and tap on that. Here, you'll see all the photos and videos that you've deleted recently. These are still taking up space on your iPhone. To permanently delete them, tap on Select in the top right corner. Then tap on the three dots and choose Delete All. Finally, confirm by tapping Delete from all devices. And that's it. Now your photos and videos are completely removed and you've successfully freed up storage space on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.